One of two Americans with the Ebola virus has arrived in Atlanta. Dr. Kent Brantly arriving today from Africa for treatment and even walking out of the ambulance. Dr. Brantly, just one of the heroic missionary workers who traveled to West Africa to help the thousands infected with this deadly disease. Jonathan Seri is live outside Emory University Hospital in Atlanta with the latest. Hi, Jonathan.
Hi, Patty Ann. In fact, the patient got to speak with his wife, Amber Brantly, issuing a written statement saying that her husband is glad to be back on U.S. soil and also asking for prayers, not only for her husband, but also for the American nurse affected with the Ebola virus, as well as people back in the country of Liberia and those who were sent there to treat them. But Dr. Kent Brantly, that American doctor working for a Christian medical charity, is back on American soil, arriving here at Emory University around 12:30 p.m. this afternoon. He came in an ambulance that had picked him up at Dobbins Air Reserve Base just outside of Atlanta, where a private medical jet had flown him inside a biological containment tent. He has now been moved to a special isolation unit here at Emory, one of only 4 in the country designed to handle this type of patient with a serious infectious disease. Ebola is spread through direct contact with bodily fluids from victims who are already displaying active symptoms. So Emory physicians explain this isolation unit is separate from other patient areas. Listen.
We have an inordinate amount of safety associated with the care of this patient, and we do not believe that any healthcare worker, any other patient, or any visitor to our facility is in any way at risk of acquiring this infection.
Dr. Brantly is a medical missionary. He was working with Samaritan's Purse, a Christian charity run by Franklin Graham, the son of evangelist Billy Graham. An American nurse, Nancy Wrightball, who was also doing work with the organization, also became infected while treating Ebola patients in Liberia. That nurse also works for the relief organization SIM, which just issued a written statement saying that she, the nurse, is expected to be brought to Atlanta aboard that same medical jet in a few days. Patty Ann?
Jonathan Seri live in Atlanta. Thank you.